Configure engine. Click the Engine menu, Engine Management, Add Engine, open the File Selection dialog box, and select the engine file. This process the program supports Chinese chess engine loading UCI and UCI protocols. After waiting for a second or two, the engine is read successfully, and the engine path and engine name, such as loading multiple engines, are automatically displayed. Engine. It is recommended to set different names, protocols and other basic information. If the engine provides custom configurable options, items will also be displayed in the list on the right. Users can manually modify these engine configurations, but they need to pay attention to the input. The character format is English lowercase and cannot contain special characters, extra spaces, etc. Some engines support configurable chess rules, NNUE weight files, etc. You can also edit them in the list on the right. After configuration, need to reload the engine or restart the software to take effect. For engine custom configuration and setting instructions, please refer to the guide. Relevant information output by the engine. If you don't know the specific meaning of a certain configuration, it is recommended not to modify it and keep the default. That's it. Load engine. Select the engine you want to use in the engine list on the main interface. Configure the number of CPU threads and the hash table size. Engine moves. The main interface toolbar provides functions such as engine black, engine red, and analysis mode. Press the corresponding button to the page will call the engine for calculation, and display the engine's thinking details on the right. If you want to cancel the engine move, click the button again to restore the button to its unselected state. Engine time settings. Click the engine menu and time settings to set the engine's thinking time and attack delay, etc. Hollow bullet fixed time. The engine searches for a fixed time before launching a move. The configuration unit is milliseconds. 1 second equals 1000 milliseconds. Fixed depth. The engine searches for a fixed number of layers before taking action. Hollow bullet engine action delay. How long the engine delays action after finding the results. The configuration is a time. The range AB requires A is less than or equal to B. The program will randomly pick a time within the range. If configured as 0 to 0, the delay is not enabled. Kuzhou move delay. How long to delay the move after the Kuzhou search result is obtained. The configuration is a time the range AB requires A is less than or equal to B. The program will randomly pick a time within the range. If configured as 0 to 0, the delay is not enabled. You can also right-click on the chessboard, select Game Time, and quickly select the fixed search time of the engine. Use a connection. Click the connection button in the toolbar of the main interface. The mouse changes to the selection state, and then click the target chess piece to be connected. Plate. Wait until the target chessboard is successfully recognized and you can start connecting. If you need to cancel the connection, click the connect button again. Yes. The button returns to its unselected state. The connection supports two modes, automatic chess and spectator mode. You must select the desired mode before connecting. Automatic chess model mode will automatically play chess for us on the target platform. Make sure it is our turn to play chess before connecting. While watching the game, the mode does not automatically move chess, it just analyzes the situation and outputs the details of the thinking. Connection settings. Click the connection menu, connection parameters, and open the connection settings dialog box, where you can set the connection program process. Hollow bullet mouse click interval. Set the time of left mouse button click, from pressing to releasing, when playing chess automatically. Interval in milliseconds. Mouse move interval. Set the original position of the mouse click on the chess piece to the click target position when automatically moving chess. The time interval in milliseconds. Hollow bullet identification scan interval. Set how often the connection program scans the target chessboard in milliseconds. If the computer performance is better, you can set a smaller value and the connection recognition will be faster. Number of identification threads. Set the number of threads used for connection identification. If the computer performance is good, you can setting a larger number of threads will result in faster connection recognition. Background mode. Click on the connection menu, then click to check background mode. In this mode, the connection will not occupy the desktop and mouse, and the target chess the disk can be blocked by other windows. And the mouse can be used to do other things without being affected. This is a more efficient and friendlier good connection mode. The disadvantage is that not all platforms support it, if the connection recognition fails or does not automatically move chess, indicating that it is not supported. If the background mode is not supported, you need to uncheck this option and the connection program will work in the foreground mode. Front desk in mode. It is necessary to keep the target platform from being blocked by other windows, and the mouse will be occupied during automatic chess playing. This model rationalizes theoretically. Any platform can be connected, as long as the target piece is clearly identifiable. Animation confirmation. If the movement of the target platform chess pieces has a transition animation, the chess pieces gradually move from point A to B along the AB path. Click. You need to turn on the animation confirmation, otherwise there may be a connection failure or a recognition error. If the chess piece on the target platform moves in a flashing manner, the chess piece disappears from point A and then appears directly at point B. You can turn off animation confirmation. After turning off animation confirmation, the connection efficiency will be higher and the recognition will be faster. Use the opening library. Click the Enable Library Moves button on the toolbar of the main interface, and the program will give priority to using the moves in the opening library to execute moves. If required, close the opening library and click the Enable Library Recruitment button again. The button will return to its unselected state. Library recruitment settings. Click the opening library menu, Library Move Settings, and open the Settings dialog box, where you can make some settings for the opening library moves. Hollow bullet. Open the cloud library and the program will connect to the cloud library http://www.chessdb.cn/chessdb.php to query the bureau face information. The timeout time sets how long the cloud library query will automatically disconnect after no response, in milliseconds. Hollow bullet. Only use the cloud endgame library. Only use the endgame information from the cloud library. Prioritize using the local library. If the local library is configured and the cloud library is enabled at the same time, priority will be given to using the local library. Search situation. Hollow bullet library recruitment selection strategy. Get the highest score. Choose the move with the highest score. Black small square. Get the highest winning rate. Choose the move with the highest winning rate. Black small square. Positive score. Random. Randomly select moves with scores greater than 0. Black small square. Completely random. Randomly selected from all moves. Hollow bullet. Number of off-script moves. After setting the number of rounds, No library moves will be used, only the engine will be used to calculate. Local library management. Click the Deployment Library menu, Local Library Management, to open the Local Library Settings dialog box, where you can add and delete local libraries and adjust the order of local libraries. The program will search for the libraries ranked first. Chess move tips. Click the Settings menu to turn on the chess move prompts. When the engine calculates the output results, the arrows for the chess move prompts will be displayed on the chessboard. Head. Chess move sound effects. Click the Settings menu to turn on the sound effects of chess moves. When moving, there will be sound effects such as capturing, checking, and moving. Show status bar. Click the Settings menu and check Show status bar. The status bar is under the chessboard and can display calculation depth, time, and thoughts, exam details and other information. Checkerboard style. This program provides two theme styles, default and red and black. The default style is a theme implemented internally in the program, red and black. The style is a theme drawn using picture chessboard pieces. Users can customize it by replacing the resources under the directory. UI your favorite topics. Chessboard size. This program provides 3 chessboard sizes: large chessboard, medium chessboard, and small chessboard for use in different scenarios and monitors. Use. Thank you. Please follow and like and share.